Hello everyone, this video is about logic AND gate. Logic gate is a basic building block of any electronic circuit. This is the symbol for AND gate. I have shown a 2-input AND gate here, but AND gate can take 2 or more number of inputs and produces only single output, and its output is equivalent to multiplication of input as indicated by this expression. So any number of input you can apply and the output will be the multiplication of those number of inputs. Now number of combinations for n input is given by 2 raised to power n. Here only 2 inputs are taken, so number of combinations will be 2 raised to power that 2, that is 4. So these combinations will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now one thing to be noted here is that 0 and 1 are logic levels. These are not voltage levels. Corresponding to these 0 and 1, we have different voltage level. That is, 0 level is equivalent to 0 volt and logic level 1 is equivalent to 5 volt. Now this is the truth table for AND gate, and I have listed 4 combinations here: 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, and corresponding output is also shown. So let us now see how it works. So 0 0, when product is done, we get 0. For 0 1 and 1 0, again 0, and when both the input are 1, we get 1. We can also understand it in this way, that A and B means both A and B must be true to get the output as 1. Even if one input is 0, output will be 0 only. To get more clarity, let us understand it using these circuits where A and B, the two inputs, are taken as switches and an LED is placed and a voltage source is placed. Now 0 level will be equivalent to open switch and 1 is considered as closed switch. So in the first case, when both A and B are 0, that is both the switches are open, in that case circuit is incomplete and the LED does not glow. Similarly, in the other two cases also, 0 1 and 1 0, although one of the switch is closed to other switch being opened, the circuit still incomplete and LED still does not glow. But in the third case, when both the input are 1, that is when both the switches are closed, in that case current can easily flow from here to here, and in that case LED will glow. So we can easily see here that LED glows, that is the output we get as high only when both the input are high. Now one more very important topic is diode implementation. These gate can also be implemented through diode. So let me first quickly introduce you to diode. Here this triangular region is P side and this straight line is N side. Whenever N terminal or N side is connected to lower potential than the P side, only in that case diode is forward biased. In the other cases it will be reversed bias. Here I have considered an ideal diode, that is its cut-in voltage is 0. Otherwise diodes have their cut-in voltages usually 0.7 volt. Why I have placed this less than 5 volt here? Because I have applied the supply voltage as 5 volt. Some voltage drop would be across R, and we get less than 5 volt at this point, and whenever A and B are less than 5 volt, only then these diodes will be forward biased. So now let us see how it works. In the first case, when both the input are 0 0, as I have already told you that at this point voltage is less than 5 volt, somewhat similar to 5 volt or less than 5 volt. Again we can see that this terminal has lower voltage, so diode will be forward biased and current can easily follow this path, either this path or this path. So it gets two paths, so we get no output at this end, or we can place an LED and check whether we are getting any output, because current is flowing completely too well, because it is getting short path, so it will definitely follow the short path. In this next case again, although this diode is off, but current can easily follow this path. So again, in this case also no output. Similarly, this case current gets a path here and it will flow like this. And finally, when both the inputs are 1, then both the diode get reversed bias, and now the current has no other option but to flow through this area. And in that case, if we place any LED, then it will definitely glow because current will flow through it. So this is how a logic gate works. Now these gates are available in IC7408 form, which is a quad 2 input AND gate IC. It is called quad 2 input because it contains 4 independent gates, each of which performs the logic and function. This is how IC looks like. This is a dual inline package IC. This is the pin diagram. There are 14 pins and with ground and VCC. And other pins are used as input and output for the AND gate. And finally, I have shown here that how these 4 gates are placed inside this IC. So simultaneously 4 AND gate can perform their function. So that's it. Hope you all like the video. Please subscribe the channel and also hit the like button. Thank you so much.